Good morning, children. Open your volume 2 EVS workbook. Okay, volume 2 EVS workbook, page number 12. Page number 12. See here. Identify each body system and mention the parts and organs in it. Here, some systems are given. We must identify that organ systems and we must mention the parts in these systems. Okay, note down its major function. Okay, what it will do in our, how it will works in our body. Okay, we must mention here what its work, what that body system works. See, first one here. Here how many systems were given? 7 systems are given. First one is circulatory system. This is circulatory system. It circulates the blood throughout the body. So it is circulatory system. What are the parts of this circulatory system? See here what we are seeing in this system. Heart. Okay, blood and blood vessels. What are the parts in the circulatory system? Heart, okay, blood and blood vessels. Okay, what is its function? What is the function of this body system or circulatory system? Means it circulates blood throughout our body. Okay, it circulates, the system circulates blood throughout our body. ఈ సర్క్యులేటరీ సిస్టమ్ మన బాడీలో బ్లడ్ని సర్క్యులేట్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ circulatory system. What are the parts in the circulatory system? Heart, blood vessels. What is its function? It circulates blood throughout the body. Next system, see what we are seeing here. Brain, okay, nerves, okay, and spinal cord. Okay, this system is nervous system. What is this system name? Organ system name? Nervous system. Okay, what are its parts? What we are seeing in this picture? Brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, what are the parts in the nervous system? Brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, what is its function? Means it will controls and coordinates different organs in the body. Okay, to do our daily activities. Okay, it will controls and coordinates the different organs in our body. Controls and coordinates different organs in our body. Okay, for example, to cross the road, we are seeing that vehicles are coming now to cross the road, and we must walk there and we must see whether from which side they are coming. Okay, that all the organs must work for walking, for watching. Okay, thus control will be in the nervous system. Okay, that is under the control of brain. Okay, so it will controls the body parts, okay, and coordinates the different organs in our body. Next systems, what we are seeing in this picture, windpipe and lungs. Okay, lungs means it is a respiratory system. The system name is respiratory system. What are the parts in the respiratory system? Windpipe and lungs. What is its function? Respiration take place through the lungs. We are inhaling the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide. No, this process is taken by lungs, and in the system, respiratory system. Okay, what is its function? Means respiration takes place through lungs. Respiration takes place through lungs. Okay, and next system, see, esophagus, buccal cavity, esophagus, pharynx. Okay, liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine. This is our digestive system. This is our digestive system. Okay, what are the parts in it? Okay, right here, esophagus. Food passes through it. Right here, esophagus, stomach, small intestine. Esophagus also comes under the digestive system. Okay, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver and pancreas. Okay, these are the parts in the digestive system. Okay, what are the parts in the digestive system? Esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine and large intestine. Okay, these are the parts of digestive system. What is its function? It helps in the, this organ system helps in the digestion of food. Okay, what we are taking the food from the mouth, it passes through the esophagus and reaches the stomach. There food turns into the paste and it reaches the, from the stomach it reaches the small intestine. Here it will separate the toxins from the food, unwanted substances from the food. Okay, here food gets digested. Okay, food get digested, and through the large intestine unwanted substances and undigested food will enter into the large intestine. There some microbes are present in the large intestine. This they turn into the feces. It will store in the rectum and removes from the body through the anus. This is our digestive system. Next one, see, only bones are there. This is skeletal system. Skeletal system. What are the parts of the skeletal system? Skull. Okay, skull, rib cage, pelvis, bones. Okay, these are the parts of the skeletal system. What is its function? The skeletal system will give shape to our body, okay, and support to our body, and gives definite shape and support to our body. Skeletal system, parts in the skeletal system are skull, rib cage, pelvis and bones. Okay, what is its function means it gives shape and support to our body. Next, see only muscles. This is muscular system. Okay, there will be muscles made up of soft tissues. Some are attached to the bones. They were elastic in nature. Okay, parts of the muscular system are muscles. They helps in to perform the basic activities like walking, lifting, okay, swimming. Right here, muscles helps to perform basic activities like walking, lifting, swimming, etc. And come to the here in this system we are seeing the urinary system, kidneys, okay, ureters and all. What are this system is excretory system. Excretory system. What are the parts in the excretory system means skin is an excretory organ, lungs and kidneys, okay, these are parts of excretory system. Large intestine, okay, it removes the excess water from the urethra and salts and all, and skin excretes the excess water and salts in our body. Lungs will excrete the carbon dioxide from our body. Kidneys, they will act as filters. In the kidneys there is millions of microfilters called nephrons. They will filter the water in our body. Okay, what is its system, what is its function means it sends out waste materials from our body. This system sends out wastes from our body. Okay, you can go through it again. First one is circulatory system. What are the parts in the circulatory system? Heart, blood and blood vessels. Okay, what is its function means it circulates the blood throughout the body. Next system, what we are seeing in the next system, nerves, okay, and brain. This is nervous system. What are the parts in the nervous system means brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, what is its function means it will controls and coordinates the different organs in our body. Next, lungs we are seeing with the windpipe. Okay, this is respiratory system. Parts are windpipe and lungs. This respiration will take place through the lungs. Next one is digestive system. What are its parts means esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine and large intestine. Okay, what is its function means it will digest the food. It helps in digestion of the food. Next, here we are seeing only the bones. That means it is skeletal system. It contains skull, rib cage, pelvis and bones. Okay, what is its function means it will give shape, support and strength to our body. Next one is muscular system. Okay, these muscles, some of the muscles attached to the bones. Okay, they are made up of soft tissues. They were elastic in nature. Okay, and see what are its parts means muscles. Muscles are made up of soft tissues. They helps to perform our daily activities like walking, lifting, okay, swimming, etc. Next, here we are seeing the kidneys and ureters, urethra, urine bladder, Okay, this comes under the excretory system. Its parts are kidneys. Okay, kidneys, skin is also coming under the excretory system, and lungs also comes under the excretory system. Okay, this excretory system, it sends out the waste from our body. Next, come to the next page. See, state whether the following statements are true or false. Every organ has a specific function. Yes, in our body every organ has specific function. ప్రతి ఆర్గాన్కి కూడా ఒక స్పెషల్ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. Okay, next, kidney sends out sweat from the body. It is wrong. Skin sends out sweat from the body. Kidney sends out the excess water from our body. So second one is false. Next, thigh bone is the longest bone in our body. Yes, it is true. Next, in unicellular organisms, cells form tissues. Unicellular means in this organism there is only one cell. If there is only one cell, how can it form the tissues? Okay, number of cells combine together and form the tissues. Here unicellular organ means it is having only one cell in that organism, so it cannot form the tissues. So this is false. Next, there are lakhs of muscles in our body. It is false. There is only 600 muscles in our body, so it is false. Next, spinal cord is a part of the nervous system. Yes, true. Spinal cord already we discussed here. Spinal cord is the part of the nervous system. Next, a healthy man has 4 to 5 liters of blood and his heart beats 70 to 80 times per minute. Yes, it is true. Okay, every organ system has a specific function. True. Kidney sends out sweat from the body. It is false. Skin sends out sweat from the body. Next, thigh bone is the longest bone in our body. Yes, true. In unicellular organisms, cells form tissues. Unicellular means only one cell is there in that organism. Example, amoeba. How can it only one cell cannot form the tissue? Number of cells form tissues. Okay. Next, there are lakhs of, so it is false. There are lakhs of muscles in our body. It is wrong. Only 600 muscles are there in our body. Next, spinal cord is a part of the nervous system. Yes, it is true. A healthy man has 4 to 5 liters of blood and his heart beats 70 to 80 times per minute. Yes, it is true. Now come to the match the following. Brain, heart, kidney, stomach, nerve, mouth, eye. Camera, wet grinder, mixer, filter funnel, computer, telephone cable, circulating pump. Okay, we must connect. Okay, human body is a wonderful machine. Some of the parts can be compared to some objects. Match the following. See here, brain is like a computer. So first one is E. Brain is like a computer. Next, heart is there. Heart is like a circulating pump. Heart works like a circulating pump. Next, kidney is like a funnel, filter funnel. Filter చేస్తుంది కదా వేస్ట్ని, సో it acts like a filter funnel. Next, stomach is like a wet grinder. Stomach is like a wet grinder. Next, nerve is like a telephone cable. Next, mouth is like a mixer. Next, eye is like a camera. Brain, it is like a computer. Heart, it works as a circulating pump. It circulates blood. Okay, it pumps the blood. Okay. Next, kidney acts as a filter funnel. Next, stomach. In the stomach, wet grinder. Stomach acts as a wet grinder. Now it is like a telephone cable, and mouth it is like a mixer. Eye it works as a camera. Okay, enough for today. Tomorrow we can see the fill in the blanks.